Aero streamlines the work we do in the accounting department. Aero is a cloud-based app that delegates your company's tasks in the form of checklists to each of your staff at the proper frequency. Every day, your staff simply log into Aero and follow the step-by-step instructions on how to do everything assigned to them. Pre-written, repeatable processes for the many tasks of the accounting department. You don't have to create these from scratch, but you can edit them however you like and assign them to staff. You can split the work between different people to provide separation of duties, which is a standard accounting control that's often hard to manage. Picture it. When each staff logs in, they land on a list of assignments with everything they need to accomplish that day. They click each assignment, and there is the live checklist with exact steps to perform, the documentation on how to perform the steps, and the specific information needed to complete the steps, in order, so that the work is performed timely and in a consistent manner. And this way, the company has provided its staff with clear expectations and the resources they need to do their work efficiently and effectively, without constant oversight on your part. This gives accounting staff autonomy, which is often cited as the number one request by employees, often even over salary, the freedom to do their thing. They are bright and competent. That's why you hired them. Now give them the system they need to get to work. The manager can watch the accounting team at work, multiple staff working on multiple tasks, to know what work is due today, who it's assigned to, what work is in progress, what work is on hold and why, and what work has been completed. This course and these interactive checklists help you adopt a cloud accounting infrastructure and workflow, and optimize your accounting department to save time, reduce error, and avoid fraud.